Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I want to talk to you today about the most important fundamental principle of Canadian criminal law, and that's the presumption of innocence. What does that mean? What does that mean to us? We pay it lip service all the time, but in a democratic society like ours, we have it. And that's such an important right. It protects innocent people who are charged with a criminal offense. So what does it mean? It means this: throughout the entire trial process, an accused is presumed to be innocent. As they sit there in the courtroom, the judge or jury has to say to themselves, there is an innocent man right there in that chair. Has the Crown proven beyond a reasonable doubt that they're guilty? Beyond a reasonable doubt. So when the jury goes into the deliberation rooms, for example, I say in my last jury trial, I said to the jury, members of the jury, you're going to go home to your friends and family after this trial, and you're going to forget this case in a day, in a week, maybe in 2 weeks or a year. My client is never going to forget your verdict here today. You've heard about the presumption of innocence from the judge, from His Honor, and you're hearing it from me. He is an innocent man as he sits here right now. You are to presume he's innocent in the jury room. Only unless and until the Crown has proven beyond a reasonable doubt to you that he's guilty is that cloak of innocence taken off. Pretend he has a shield of innocence on him, and it's up to the Crown, the state, to remove that. This is such an important principle. Please do not regret your verdict here today. If you go home, for example, a week from now and say, oh, what if he was innocent? You know, I thought he was only probably guilty, or, you know, I was pretty certain he's guilty, almost certain. That's not good enough. He's presumed innocent, and you have to apply reasonable doubt in this case. So bear that in mind when you go in the jury room. Keep saying to yourself, there is an innocent man. Has the Crown met their burden of proof beyond reasonable doubt? That's, in a nutshell, a presumption of innocence. It's so important, it's so fundamental. There's an old adage, an old jurist from, you know, a couple hundred years ago, it said, better to convict 1,000 better to acquit, I should say, 1,000 guilty men than convict one innocent one. And that's why we had the presumption of innocence. We're not in Russia here where they just grab you, throw you in jail, and have some sort of show trial. And that's so important. So bear that in mind as the most fundamental, important principle of Canadian criminal law. Thank you for watching our video. We are absolutely committed to bringing you the best possible criminal and DUI educational videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've been charged with a criminal offense in Ontario and require our services, please click on the link in the description below.